Every day, I wake up and remind myself that restoring muscle strength is not just a goal, it's a daily commitment. I've learned that consistency is key, and the best part is, it doesn't have to be complicated. First, I focus on my nutrition. I make sure to fuel my body with high quality protein. Think lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant based options like beans and lentils. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth. I aim for at least 20-30 grams of protein in each meal. That's my magic number. It helps me feel full and keeps my muscles happy. Next, hydration is non negotiable. I drink water throughout the day, aiming for at least half my body weight in ounces. Staying hydrated helps with muscle recovery and performance. I can feel the difference when I'm properly hydrated versus when I'm not. It's like night and day. Now, let's talk about movement. I've incorporated strength training into my daily routine. I don't spend hours in the gym. Instead, I focus on short, effective workouts. I do compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and push ups. These movements engage multiple muscle groups, giving me the most bang for my buck. I aim for at least 3 sessions a week, mixing in bodyweight exercises and resistance training. But it's not just about lifting weights. I also prioritize mobility and flexibility. Every morning, I dedicate 10-15 minutes to stretching and mobility work. This helps prevent injuries and keeps my muscles limber. I've found that yoga or dynamic stretching can be a game changer, especially as I age. It's about keeping my body functional and ready for whatever comes my way. Rest is another crucial element. I've learned that muscles grow during recovery, not just during workouts. I aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is when my body repairs itself, and I wake up feeling stronger and more energized. I also take rest days seriously. They're not a sign of weakness, they're a vital part of my training. Lastly, I keep my mindset in check. I remind myself that progress takes time. I celebrate small victories, whether it's lifting a bit heavier or simply feeling more energized. Staying positive and motivated is essential. I surround myself with supportive people who encourage my journey. So every day, I commit to these habits. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports my goals. I'm not just restoring muscle strength, I'm building a foundation for longevity and vitality. And honestly, it feels amazing to know that I'm taking control of my health and strength, one day at a time.